In this video, I'll show you how to replace a battery in a Volvo C70 key fob. It's a very easy process. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and all you will need is a CR2016 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for a great price. First step, look up on the top of the device. You can see that slot right there. Put your flathead screwdriver in, just twist, and you can see it's starting to open up. Now I'm just going to pull it apart. And here we have the insides. You can see the batteries right there. Mine's just falling right out. I'm actually not sure if this is maybe missing a piece of plastic or really it does just come out like that. If yours is in there differently, you're just going to come in from the side and gently pry it out as you usually would. Now, once you got your battery out, you're going to take your new CR2016 battery and make sure that you're putting it in positive side up. So you see the plus sign and the text on there. When you set this into place, you should see the text and the plus sign. So from here, that's really all it takes. From here, you're just going to set the back right on top of there and squeeze it all back together. And just like that, you have a new battery in your device that should last you for many years. And you are good to go. So I hope that helped you out. And if you liked the video, feel free to give us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.